existence of all living beings. Plants, lotus, fishes, and birds are part of our life on earth. By living in harmony with the environment, we ensure the well-being and happiness of our community. Deforestation will transform our forests into deserts. Is it right to damage the environment? Chimneys of coal-powered plants spew greenhouse gases. The emission of poisonous gases pollutes the atmosphere. The gases trigger global climate change. The polluted air leads to respiratory diseases. Acid rain falls and pollutes the soil and the water. The ozone layer is damaged. Thank you
Wow,
very much.
what a performance! And I hope